Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we will be scrapping two bedroom stereo systems. Both these are from the same manufacturer, JADCO or JADCO. They are almost the same except there are a few differences. For example, this one has a record function. This one does not record, instead we have mute. Here we have a clock. It's on right now, but I don't think you can see it. This is the cassette player, the clock controls, dimmer, volume for the left speaker and volume for the right speaker, tuning, AM FM, function key, radio, tape, alarm, and the power switch. And here we have touchpads, snooze for the clock, for the alarm, and the alarm set. If you switch it on,
Border Force protects Australia, detecting illegal firearms and more than 134 kilos of illicit drugs a week. But sometimes threats can be detected within our border.
Baker's Delight today. On your home loan, we're famous for
The Australian border.
this is AM.
They're not selling it.
If you let buildings go, it's a steep spending curve when you try and restore them back.
Yeah.
So they're selling it for the land.
And this one also probably works, but I'm not gonna switch it on. Yeah, so this one has the brands on both sides. This one has one, is branded here only. Here we have stereo. Here we have a condenser microphone, headphone, and monitor, which I think when you switch it on you can hear the surrounding sound if you are wearing headphones. And here's a closer look. This is the clock LCD, and this is everything else. This one is model number 30E8N, made in Hong Kong. And this one, same model, 30E8, only there is no N. Also made in Hong Kong. So now let's take them apart and scrap them. It looks much better this way. This is the clock. So this is the clock module, LM8362. This is the power transformer, the mechanism. This is the motor speed regulator. This is the main board, power amplifier, and the radio board. Now let's do the second one. Exactly the same. Okay, done. I will keep the clock modules. They're quite different. These probably just throw them away, recycle them. Maybe we'll take these power amplifiers, these two. And this, probably I will list it on eBay cheap for $1 or 50 cents and see, maybe someone will be interested to buy it. And yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.